Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I just wanted to show you this app I have found called My Prayer. Seems really nice for learning the basics of Salah, especially for those who are just starting, or for beginners like Reverts, etc. So this is how the main menu is like. This also shows prayer times and Qibla, and you also can learn Salah prayer through the app, and has divided this whole process into little steps. As you can see, there is a wudu section in this, a Salah section, and then like watch and learn how to perform the 5 daily prayers, which I think to have all of this in one place is a great idea. So if you have a look at the wudu section, this is divided into a few parts. You can look at the virtues and the importance of wudu, and then actions which nullify them, and then step-by-step wudu this part has videos in it as well. You can go to the next one, and it's got these animations, pictures. So if you're on a particular step, I think you can bookmark it as well, just like I did. So these are step-by-step wudu tutorial, and then I think there might be, okay, so this is where we were. And then if you come out of this and look at the Salah section, and this has a lot of different categories. So history of prayer before you begin the prayer, so the pre-exquisites, and then this also has step-by-step guide, as you can see. Yeah, so it tells you in steps. And then what I liked was here somewhere, prayer tutorial. It has completing the prayer. I thought I saw videos somewhere of oh, okay, sorry. So in this section you have like a demonstration of different prayers. So if you click on the Fajr prayer, it tells you details, how many units are included, if it's read loud or silent, how many sunnahs are usually read before or after. And then there is a video of somebody actually performing Fajr. So sometimes you can read and learn, and sometimes it's really important to see somebody actually doing it loud, so you could learn. So this has, look at the bottom, it has got rewards for the sunnah prayer that is before Fajr, and then once you complete a section, you mark it, and you can go to the next section. For example, Dhuhr, the afternoon prayer, is the next section. So I think this is a really good app, and I think it could be really helpful because it's got different